Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review this brushless leaf blower. I have received this one to review and it comes in this box pretty much like half a meter. And let's see what type of info we have got. Not much actually. Let's open this up and see what we have got inside it. So there we go. So it comes with a couple of different heads, look like this. Let's put them aside. Right, this is the machine itself. Put it here. This parts as well. This is the charger. This is our user manual. What else have we got? The battery and battery. So I'm not sure if we have two batteries or if this is actually the same thing needs to be assembled. Let's check this out. So let's start with our user manual here. Right, so it comes in a couple of different languages. So let's start with the English one. We have got the display screen, we have the adjustment button, we have the battery pack, extension tube, round nozzle, and trigger and gear adjustment button. So it's got 850 grams, so it's like around a kilo, so to say. And we have got, this is how you can assemble everything actually. So we will do it right away. And operating instructions: press and hold the power switch to activate the machine and display will light up to show the remaining power. So this one shows the battery percentage. And click the trigger to start the machine. That's the trigger, I guess, and click the trigger again to switch the gear. Are 3 gears in total. And we have got click the power button to switch the pause and press and hold it to turn it off. The battery comes with is an 18-volt battery. And what else do we have? Safety stuff, operation, turn it off and use it, and so on. Right, pretty straightforward actually. So let's check it out. Let's start with our battery here. So we have got one battery pack, 21 volt. All right, okay, so there was written 18. Let's open the other one, see what is that one. 21. So actually that's quite practical. So if you have two batteries, both are fully charged as well. Right, it's perfect. So imagine you are having a very large yard. You can't just use one and just keep charging it and continue. So you can use one, charge the other one, and you can switch. So it's a perfect thing actually to have. I really like the devices which they have two batteries. Now let's open up this one. See what we have got in here. That's the first piece. That's our extension tube here. And right, this one, it says it goes in here, so check it out. These two, they go like this, and you turn it this way, and this is the kind of extension. Oh, this is the nozzle. Well, actually we can make it small or we can make it larger. So which means I could actually put this one in here and put this one back in here to make it even longer. But for the sake of demo, I would just put this one away and we can work with the small one. There we go. Right, and this is where our battery goes. So let's put the battery in here. This is how it goes inside. There we go. So the battery is connected as well. Quite practical, look like this. And this is the button actually. So this turn, I'm not sure what is this turn. Actually there was no information about it as well. So we can try it. All right, we can turn it on. 99%. We can start it. Very powerful actually, but consumes quite a lot of battery as well. Let's turn it on again. very strong, really strong. So I can see like several meters away, everything is just flying around. So really, really strong. So you can see even the dust from the box actually coming up. Pretty cool. And let's just explore it a little bit more. So it's completely electrical. So you know, these things, most of them are with gas, and they have got a kind of petrol or something inside, and they are really smelly and quite loud. So this one is actually really quite bearable, I would say, in terms of the sound. So it's not the most loudest one ever. It also comes with a couple of different heads, so that's quite practical. Actually, it's pretty cool for different use cases. I'm just checking for this button which is called turn button. So let's just figure out what is that one. It's called rotatory adjustment button. So I'm not really sure what it does, but yeah, seems like it can basically, maybe it can rotate the head of it. Yeah, there we go. So it's just a mechanical button. You can actually, that's a pretty cool thing. So we can just turn it like this, so it becomes like a gun like this, or we can just press it and put it like this. So it depends to the sort of use case, but it's a cool thing. Well, that was it. I hope you liked it. If so, let me know in the comments and give me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, write down below, and don't forget to subscribe. I always have new videos on a daily basis. Make sure you stay tuned. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Thank you and bye bye.